Hello and welcome to Echelon One. We quickly like to showcase some of the power you can achieve with our platform, and for that we'll be featuring one of our flagship systems, the EC2 Rightsizer. This system is readily available from AstroHub, our community-driven repository of systems for Echelon One, meaning that what you'll be seeing here could be in your account, saving you money, day one. Heading into our system here, there's a lot of information. This system collects all sorts of information about all of your EC2 instances from all of your accounts, from instance types and states to various savings opportunities, and even carbon emissions are displayed. Needless to say, if there's something you want to know about your EC2 instances, it's probably here. Let's focus on saving money right now. You can see we have three different saving opportunities here. On the right, we have over $1,900 we could save each month just by switching our instances from Intel to AMD. Then over $6,500 a month by actually right-sizing each instance. Then on the left, over $7,800 by using the full power of the system and letting it work its magic fully. Now that's a lot of money, which could translate to a lot of work to get there, right? Not with Echelon One. If we simply scroll down to the bottom, you can see we have some color-coded organization here, and if we wanted to right-size over-provisioned instances, we could filter for just those. Click here at the top to select all, then run our right-sizer. If you only wanted to work with a select few instances, you could also simply select the ones that you want and right-size from here. So there you have it. We were able to right-size and save thousands of dollars and many hours of labor by simply using a single Echelon One system. But remember, Echelon One is merely a platform, meaning that the only limitations here are your imagination. Thank you for watching, and if you liked what you saw here, be sure to visit Echelonone.app for more information. Happy automating!